Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we talked about some basic networking concepts required to launch an EC2 instance. Now in this video, we are going to learn something very important which is called an AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So in this video, I'll explain what an AMI is, why we need it, how it works, and where it is used in real cloud environment. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the concepts of AMIs. So first, understand what exactly an AMI is. An AMI or Amazon Machine Image is basically a template used to launch EC2 instances. You can think of it like a ready-made server blueprint. The blueprint contains everything needed to start a server. For example, the operating system, the installed software, application setup and configuration, and all those things which are required to launch a server. So when you launch an EC2 instance, AWS uses this template to create the server. Without an AMI, AWS would not know what kind of server you want to run. Let's understand with a simple example. Imagine you want to build multiple houses. Instead of designing each house from scratch every time, you create a house blueprint. Then you use that blueprint to build many houses quickly. AMI work exactly like that blueprint. One AMI can be used to launch many EC2 instances. This saves time and ensure consistency. Now let's understand why AMI is important. In real world cloud environment, engineers often need to launch many servers quickly. If they had to install the operating system software manually every time, it would take a lot of time. AMI solves this problem by launching. It allows us to launch server in minute. It also ensures every server has the same configuration. That is why it helps us to maintain consistency. This is very important in production environment. For example, if a company want to scale its application, they can launch multiple EC2 instances using the same AMI. Now let's look at what is inside an AMI. AMI usually contains an operating system. This is what we have already talked about. Operating system like Linux or Windows, Mac OS, or any flavor of Ubuntu. Or if you want any specific operating system, you can also use this as an AMI. It consists of configuration settings, security patches, required dependencies. So basically it includes everything needed for a server to start running immediately. That's why AMIs plays a very important role in EC2. Now let's talk about different types of AMIs provided by AWS. So first type is AWS provided AMI. These are official AMIs provided by AWS, which include Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Windows Server. There are most commonly used AMIs for beginners. Now the second type is custom AMIs. These are AMIs that you create yourself. For example, you launch an EC2 instance, install an application, configure everything, and then create an AMI from that. And the third type of AMI is marketplace AMIs. These are AMIs available in AWS Marketplace. They usually contain pre-installed software like WordPress, databases, security tool, enterprise applications. Companies often use these to deploy solutions quickly. For example, I want an EC2 instance with Nginx or something like Docker or something like WordPress already installed in it. So I use AMI, that particular AMI, which will be available in Marketplace AMI. So let's understand the concept of AMI with a real world example. Let's say a company builds a web application. First, they launch an EC2 instance and install application, server, database client, security updates, monitoring tools. Once everything is configured, they create an AMI from that server. Now, whatever they need, more servers, they simply launch new EC2 instances using that AMI. This process saves a lot of time and effort. This is commonly used in auto-scaling environment. Here is something very important beginners should understand. When you launch an EC2 instance, the first thing AWS asks is which AMI do you want to use? This means AWS needs to launch what type of server you want to create. So the AMI decides what operating system the server will have, what software will already be installed, how the server is configured. So in this video, we learned what an AMI is, why it is important, what does it contain, different types of AMIs. Understanding AMI is very important because every EC2 instance starts from an AMI. I hope this helped you understand AMIs clearly, and in the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to use AMI. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.